Hey you guys, thanks for coming to check out today's video. So today's video is sponsored by Julia Hair. Thank you so much, Julia Hair, for sending over this beautiful wig. Really appreciate it. All right, you guys, so let's jump right into it. Today's hair is a honey blonde ombre highlight wig. It's a 13 by 4 and it is a T-part. So you don't have to worry about having too much parting space to deal with. It's just a T-part, so it's very simple for you to style. I went ahead and sprayed my Ebin lace tint spray in medium brown. I will link that down below. I sprayed that onto the lace so that the lace will blend more into my skin. Now this hair is slightly pre-plucked and it doesn't need to be bleached because it is already a blonde color. So this wig is very beginner friendly. You don't have to do a lot. I didn't do any additional plucking or any tinting other than just spraying it. So this wig is pretty much ready to go straight out the box. All you have to do is pop it on your head, lay down the lace, and then lay down your baby hairs. So the lace melt spray I'm using today is by The Wig Dealer. This is the one that I mainly use all the time. I like this one because it doesn't leave a lot of residue. It's not super duper sticky, but it does hold. And it's great if you just like to apply your wig just for the day, which is what I do. I take my wig off every night. So if you like just a hold that just lasts for the day, this is perfect for that. And it's not too gummy and it doesn't get all gunky. That's really what I love about it. I use my blow dryer. This is my Yellowbird blow dryer from Conair. I'll link that below as well. I use my Yellowbird blow dryer and I just set it on cool. I spray a little bit of spray. You don't need a lot. I just hold it down using my Glee Made Precision rat tail comb. That I do sell those in a 3-pack, so I'll link that down below as well. I use the rat tail end of the comb just to hold it down while I am blow drying it on cool, and it gives me the best results that way. I just use a regular baby wipe. I know a lot of people say you use alcohol and things like that. This spray that I use, the melt spray, it's not strong or harsh, so you don't need alcohol. Literally just a regular baby wipe is enough. Then I go ahead and grab the hairs that I want to use for my baby hairs just to help blend, you know, the lace and to just give me the look that I'm going for. Once I separate those out, I go ahead and use my Edge Melt Band. I do sell that on my site as well. It's just a really soft elastic band that just helps to melt your lace into your skin and allow your style to just look more natural. So before I add the lace melt band, I'm sure to add a little bit of Got2b spray. I just spray that on there and then I comb the rest of the hairline back just to give it a little more definition. And so I can easily put my melt band on and I know the hair is where I want it to be while it's drying underneath the band. Now I go ahead and start working on the curls, and this is my favorite part, you guys. So I finger comb the curls out. The curl pattern that I have in this unit is the Jerry Curly, and the length that I have is a 22 inch. So I just use my fingers. I finger comb it out while it's dry. Then I grab my water bottle. I grab my water spray bottle, I spray the hair down. Then I'm going to grab my Carol's Daughter spray and I'm going to use the Carol's Daughter leave-in conditioner, and I'll spray that on, and then I'm going to grab my Glee Made styling mousse. So the Glee Made styling mousse is just going to make my curls pop and set them in place and give me that wet look that I'm going for this look. So yeah, after that I will come back and let you guys know my final thoughts. So now that all the product is in and worked in, I went ahead and tried to speed up the drying process. I don't have a diffuser, so I used my Yellowbird blow dryer on cold, and I just flip my head over and blow out the curls from the bottom, and I flip it over so that you're not really disturbing the curls in the front and the top of your head. You're kind of just working the air through the bottom. And so this is a way that you can kind of quickly, you know, just speed up the drying process more quickly. Now, the great thing about the mousse, it does speed up the drying process as well. And remember, I'm going for that wet look. So I definitely want my curls to stay like giving that wet type of look. So you definitely want to blow dry on cool. So I went ahead, did my makeup, popped on my lashes, and now I'm just going to lay down my baby hairs. And this style is pretty much good to go. So the edge control I'm using today is the Glee Made Edge Control, as well as the Glee Made Baby Hair Brush. If you guys want to try out any of the Glee Made products that I've mentioned here today, they are available on Amazon Prime. So I'm super proud to say that my products are available on Amazon Prime, and you can absolutely try them out by ordering on Amazon. I'll leave links down below so you can try it out. You can also still order from my own personal website, which is gleemade.com. But yeah, definitely give them a try and let me know what you think. So you guys, this is the end result of the 13x5 T-part wig from Julia Hair. I'm loving this hair. This is in the Jerry Curly in 22 inch. I couldn't be more pleased with the way this hair came out. This hair was so easy to work with. I love the fact that it comes pre-plucked, pre-bleached, pre-styled, pre-colored. It's literally pre-everything. So you're literally ready to go as soon as you take it out the box. I think this hair color is so ready for fall. It can take you right into winter and even into spring, and I just have a great feeling about this hair. I feel like it'll last you a really nice long time, and it's just an easy pop on and go style because it's not too much lace to deal with or worry about. So if you guys want to try out this unit, I will leave links down below and a coupon code so you guys can save you a little bit of money. So definitely check the info box below for this hair, as well as any products that you saw me use. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and share this video. Share it with a friend. Share it with a wig lover. Share this video with your mama. Peace.